Stock markets from the United States to Asia and Europe have been hit hard as health authorities confirm new pockets of coronavirus infection from the Middle East to Europe.
The market is now coming to recognize that this epidemic has far from peaked. It now looks like it's spreading, and it's going to be causing a lot of disruptions to global supply chains, to the travel industry, to tourism, to a whole lot of things.
Coronavirus has triggered widespread fear and increasingly severe reactions from authorities in scores of countries, imposing lockdowns with paralyzing effects on commerce, especially in China, the world's second largest economy.
What we have in China is a situation where 150 million people are locked down. So these people who went home for the vacation, for the New Year vacation, they now can't return to work.
As companies feel the impact, so too will consumers.
We're going to see real economic impacts from this outbreak. We've already seen it, for example, when Apple says that there's going to be a palpable impact on its ability to produce iPhones in the near term.
Some believe the economic impact will be intense but short-lived. Analyst Mark Hamrick likens coronavirus to a hurricane. Once it passes, recovery begins and activity gradually returns to normal.
For investors who are only focused on the short term, these are very real impacts. For investors who are focused on the intermediate and long terms, they're going to look beyond this and say, we will live to invest and fight another day.
But researcher Desmond Lohman believes the impact on China will be more long-lasting, with companies looking to diversify their supply chains so they can be less reliant on China in the future.
Companies will draw lessons from this experience. My expectation is that this will be a drain on the Chinese economy long term. It's not going to look that attractive for foreign investment.
Coronavirus won't be the last economically disruptive pathogen to spread across borders and continents. The question, analysts say, is what lessons nations and companies draw from the outbreak and whether the global economy becomes more resilient to future shocks. Ardita Dunellari, VOA News, Washington.